Povlsen. Welcome you differently to this country. You are already part and parcel of Nigerian thinking and issues. I must just say thank you very much for believing in us. We are a country that is hoping and willing to partner with many people like you, other countries that believes in recognition of placing the value in our youths, and particularly innovation and digital economy and cultural value, and sport is one of those aspects of Nigeria that we are trying to nourish, and we will partner with you. I promise that. The Bestseller Foundation and all the attributes of goodwill, determination, resiliency in our economy, I can assure you it is easy in, easy out for all investors. Now, the reform has taken a great deal of time and added value to our thinking and our belief in the future. Nigeria pride itself in the continent. And we believe that it is only here that we can energize the growth and inclusiveness of prosperity in our continent. If we don't partner with people like you, we will have failed. We are looking forward to a prosperous, rewarding future for both of us. Thank you and welcome to Nigeria again.
We are first and foremost here to listen, to learn, to explore the opportunities. We really admire your country. We admire the reform that you have taken the leadership of your country. And we understand that this is no easy task, but it's meaningful work, and we definitely applaud that from afar. And this is also what is a part of our sincere interest in coming here and seeing what we can do, and we'll listen to your good advice on where you see we can be helpful. We would love to invest. We clearly see opportunity, we see the talent, we see the creativity. Some of it, we admire in our daily life in Denmark, whether it's music, whether it's fashion. We're already taking, as Povlsen mentioned, we're already taking first steps in investing in Future Africa, in Goodwill, and we're supporting the Fashion Week in Lagos this week also. We're looking forward to join that later. So no, we want to be a part of what we believe are a great time ahead for your country, and we really want to explore those opportunities. And yeah, we are here to learn, to listen, and yes, now the minister have already mentioned a few of the things that I would like to bring up also. Football is one of them, and I am honored to tell you that our academy have 3 players on a national team, not foreign Nigerians, but young men who have grown up and started their football career in this country with us, and who are now on your national team. And I have just had an update this morning, and we believe that we have the strongest pipeline of the best ever Nigerian talent that we hopefully are going to connect and be able to connect to international football and make your country proud. Yeah.
Thank you.